Hello guys, and in this video I'll tell you how to use step counter on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. And firstly, we just need to swipe up to open all of the applications, and here select this Samsung Health. So now just scroll a bit till you'll find the step section. And now you can see how many steps you had during the day, and if you scroll a little bit more, you'll see the distance, calories you burned, and floors. And also you can set a target by enabling this option. So just swipe up or down to set how many steps you want to get during the day. For example, let's set this amount. Then get done button. And if you scroll up, you'll see this information right underneath your current steps. And you can also enable option to show on the phone. Just tap it and it will be immediately opened on your phone. And here you can see just the same information and also see the tab Compare My Step. Click it and you can see your steps compared to your age group and everyone. You can also click on this graph and see your result during the week, month and 12 months. And that's it. Now you know how to use step counter on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.